Hi YouTube, I'm David, and I do believe that this is week 22. I'd have done a video sooner this week. I just wasn't feeling it. I woke up this morning basically having an anxiety attack, which is cool. Just been all sorts of out of it this last week. I don't have anything to report or say or talk about. Been exhausted all day. So I'm just really missed like 6 calls from the same number and they don't leave messages. It's kinda can't figure out what the number is. I answered once, no one said anything to me. I'm gonna leave the menu screen running here and get a copyright strike. I don't have anything to say. I'm David, this is week 22, this is my state of the world. And I'll see y'all later.